Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet eyebrow for Santa Claus applique. We see crochet tutorial for eyebrow. First we'll work on right eyebrow, right side eyebrow. Make a slip knot, then make 10 chain crochet stitches. Here I made my slip knot. Now after slip knot, I'll make 10 chain crochet stitches. I'll just make the stitches and I'll show you next step. Now the first stitch after current loop on the needle, we will skip first stitch. In second stitch, we will make a slip stitch. Okay. Third stitch, third and fourth, we are going to make one single crochet stitch, one. This is third stitch, one single crochet stitch. Fourth stitch, one more single crochet stitch. Now fifth to eighth, in 4 continuous stitches, we are going to make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Now from 5th stitch to 8th stitch we have made one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay. Now in 9th stitch we are going to make one double crochet stitch. And after that is done, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. And we will join it with the 10th stitch with a slip stitch. There we join with a slip stitch. Okay. Now for last round we will just make one slip stitch in each single stitch. And our right side eyebrow is ready. Then we work on left side eyebrow. Now once we are done making one slip stitch in each single stitch till 10th stitch, like the last stitch, then after that we will make 2 chain crochet stitches. This we do at the narrow end of our eyebrow. We will make 2 chain crochet stitches, and again starting from next stitch on that eyebrow, we will start making one slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, now our right side eyebrow will look like this. Now we work on our left side eyebrow. Now for left side eyebrow, just make one slip knot, and after slip knot we will make 12 chain crochet stitches. See, in right side eyebrow we made 10 chain crochet stitches. In left side eyebrow we will make 12 chain crochet stitches. Now once we are done with our 12 chain crochet stitches, we will skip starting 2 stitches which comes after current loop on the needle. Okay, we will skip stitch number 1, stitch number 2, and third stitch we will make one double crochet stitch. Then in fourth and fifth stitch we will make, sorry, 4 to 9 stitch, 4 5 6 7 8 9, we will make half double crochet stitches, one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch from 4th to 9th. Okay, then 10 and 11 we will make one single crochet stitch. First we will complete this uh, half double crochet stitches. Then 10 and 11 make one single crochet stitch, 10 and 11. In 12 stitch make a slip stitch, and after that make 2 chain crochet stitches. Just skip last 2 chain crochet stitches we made, and after that all around that eyebrow go on making one slip stitch in each single stitch. Just skip those chain crochet stitches which we made in the last. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now our crochet eyebrows are ready. Now we made these eyebrows for Santa Claus applique, so we are using white color. You can use black color and make same eyebrow, and you can use it on various appliques. As you have seen, whole video was with detailed explanation, step by step procedure was given, and all instructions were given in written. So I hope so you have not found it difficult to understand. And if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. uh, so please like, comment, share and subscribe. This is how we assemble whole Santa Claus applique. If you want tutorial video for whole Santa Claus applique, it's in 3 parts, and I have given link for all 3 parts in description. You can refer from there. And along with Santa Claus applique, if you search my channel, you will get a crochet tutorial for Pikachu applique, bunny applique, teddy bear applique, cat applique, and many more are there. So, and plus you will get many new ideas for crochet curtain tie back, crochet candle coaster, and like crochet keychain, and many more things are there. So if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you, please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new ideas, new videos, and all my videos are in give you detailed explanation, step by step demonstration is there, plus all written instructions for all tutorial. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.